Welcome to Z's Bookshelf featuring Ebb and Flow.
Hello and welcome to Network Wiggles News. Today, Dorothy the dinosaur visited a farm. Let's see what frolicking fun she had.
Hello, Greg. Hello, everyone.
Hello!
We're at the farm to see the farm animals. There's turkeys and a rabbit, sheep and some piglets. If you were going to have a farm, what animals would you need?
Like pigs, horses, sheep, Joey, like kangaroos.
Now, sheep. You'd need sheep for...
So, you can get wool? Yeah, wool to make, and then you sell the wool. Or, no, you make clothing.
And you fed one of the animals with a bottle?
Oh, for the baby, to lambs. To lambs, they feed the lambs.
There seem to be a lot of chooks around.
Eggs for breakfast. Yeah, like you can have boiled eggs. Like bacon.
And geese.
Because they could lay eggs.
Why would you need pigs?
Just to make it colourful.
A farm is certainly an interesting place. But now, back to you, Greg.
Hope you had fun during Z's Bookshelf featuring Ebb and Flow. Log on to dailynoggin.com for more.